Hello, welcome to iMobi Support Channel. This video will show you how to add data from computer to Android device with DroidKit easily. Open DroidKit on your computer and choose the Device Manager under Data Manager. Then, please click the Start button. Please connect your Android device to the computer with a USB cable. Once your device is detected, please click the Start button. Then, please choose the Add Content option. Then, a window will pop out for you to add files from computer to Android device. Please choose the data you want to add. Then, please click the Open and Next button to start the transferring process. The time to transfer contents varies based on the size of your contents. Please keep patient. When the transfer is completed, you can click the Transfer More button to go back to the previous interface. You can also locate the transferred data on your Android device.